Zimbabwe National Army ZNA Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe is said to have helped Vice President Constantino Chiwenga edge President Emerson Mnangagwa out of the 2028 race decisively. Sandabina mashoko ari shocking vanhu akaona kuti aiwana General Sanyatwe akachatodiwo kuti mutungamiri wenyika aripo izvezvi aramba achitonga beyond 2028. Nobva wasubscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. TV namanamba muzimba anyara vachiti Chiwenga bolstered by the army's endorsement is now on track to establish a military-led administration that recalls the era of Robert Mugabe, when the military covertly managed elections and wielded unchallenged power. At the ZANU-PF's 21st National People's Conference in Bulawayo, Mnangagwa announced his decision to step down after 2028, a move widely attributed to pressure from Chiwenga's faction. Sources indicated that Chiwenga and Sanyatwe aim to restore the military's influence over Zimbabwe's electoral process, a holdover from the Mugabe era, when the army not only administered elections but clandestine printed ballots, ensuring results aligned with its interest. Security sources confirmed that Chiwenga's ascendance has been years in the making, beginning with his escape from an assassination attempt during the 2018 World City Stadium grenade attack. Mnangagwa's recent helicopter crash in Masvingo is said to be the latest warning of Chiwenga's resolve to take control. Tomashwa rubuda panapa amazvinzwira achinyogambe panaure Zim vachiti aiwa panguva inoi vanhu vachinasa kunzwisisa panapa pane mahunga ari kufamba masitizvinzi aiwa nongwana Anselm Sanyatwe uya muzi akati ZANU-PF ichatonga kusvika madhonga nenyanga anouya achitaura achiti aiwa akatoadvaisa mutungamiri wenyika kuti astepe down. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda mucomment section medu, musaona subscribe or like, muchete on turn on the bell icon.